So you uploaded your song, it's streaming everywhere, and I am super proud of you. But guess what? Without this code, your royalties might never reach you. It's called an ISRC code, and most artists have no idea what it is. Hey, for those of you who are new to my show, my name is LoNdoN, music producer and your guide to the music business without all the gatekeeping. If this sounds like it will be helpful to you guys, please hit that bell and subscribe. In fact, I want to take a moment because I've been seeing a jump in my views. And while this is not super astronomical or anything, guys, it just makes me feel really good that the info I'm giving you guys is valuable and that y'all are finding it helpful. But thank you to those who have been tuning in. Let's just keep spreading the word and jump in on today's topic. As you can see, I'm quite excited. So, ISRC code stands for International Standard Recording Code. It's basically like a digital fingerprint for your recording. So, what does that mean? It means that every single version, remix, edit, or cue gets its own unique ISRC number. This is important because it's how streaming platforms, radio, and PROs track and pay performance and master royalties. Without it, your plays literally can't be counted. I think I kind of went over that in my last video. But anyway, if you're confused about this, or you don't know what PROs are, or you're not really sure how to register your music properly, make sure you take a look at my last video where I explain it step by step. And I give you guys a general understanding of what PROs are and what they are responsible for. That does not mean that you get an ISRC number from your PRO. PROs do not give ISRC numbers out. They require them for registration. So that is basically your distributor's job, or it's your job if you're an independent artist. So where do you get one? Easiest way is just to sign up, guys, because if you sign up through your distributor, you got to get your music out there anyway. Basically, you go into your account and there's a section where it's listed. You can also get one from your national ISRC agency. I'm honestly not that sure of the process in every country, but I know here in the US we use RIA. Let me show you guys real quick. So here I am. As you can see, I'm on isrc.ifpi.org. There's a lot of super helpful info on here if you're interested in numbers, but there's also like some bullshit stuff like where the prefixes come from and all that nerdy stuff that most of us really don't need and just find boring as hell. So just know it's here if you need it, but I'm gonna move on. So the cool thing most people don't know is that you can actually assign an ISRC number yourself. So I think I'm gonna go over that topic next week because that's a really good topic to cover. So stay tuned for that. As you might imagine, it's super important that you keep track of all these ISRC numbers of X recordings. Why? Because guys, if anything goes awry, you want to make sure you have every piece of info that these people might possibly need to get you your money. So I recommend keeping all of your ISRCs in an Excel spreadsheet. It's easy, right? Or you could probably just write them down and put them in a folder if you're really old school, or you could really even just keep them in your phone. It also helps to have these stored when registering music with your PRO or pitch and sync libraries. So again, you just want to make sure you're super organized when it comes to this because each recording generates its own royalties. This is why it is so important, super crucial for independent artists to understand and keep the rights to their masters. But anyway, I digress. To recap, ISRC codes are individual codes that are assigned to sound recordings. You need to get one for every recording that you register and store it properly in case of any mistakes. And believe me, they do happen. So, if this helped you understand ISRCs, you're absolutely going to love my next episode where I'm going to teach you everything that you need to know about getting your own ISRC code and why it might be beneficial for you to do so. And guys, my comment section be crickets. If y'all have questions, y'all need to drop them. Why? Because I really want to hear them. I promise you, even though I look good and all, I am not here just for looks. I will give you the very best answers that I can possibly give. See you next time.